Hey, butterflies. It is Kane again, back with another Workday training. So today we will be covering how, as a manager, to review and approve your team's expense reports. So for starters, you will need to navigate to the search bar, aka the Bella Google, and you would need to search Find My Team's Expense Report or My Team's Expense Report. Either one takes you to the same page, and then we would click on right here, this report, Find My Team's Expense Reports. So once we click on that, it will take us to this screen right here, and this is how we will configure the report and edit our filters if needed. So I'll start up here at the top. If you want to change, you can go to My Direct Reports, or if you just want anyone that's under you, you can leave it blank and edit the dates. If not, all expenses will come up that your team has submitted. So for this training purpose, I'm going to go to the first of the month all the way to, let's go 12/8, and then I'm going to leave everything else and I'm going to hit OK. So as you can see right here, it has a full report of everything that we are needing to know. The expense report, the report number, the company, LLC, the status, who it is being paid to, the type, all the way to the currency and if the worker was paid. So we can click on this one right here since it is in progress. And if you click on this right here, it goes further into detail about the expense submitted. So you have your header that gives you an overview of everything that is submitted, any attachments or receipts that was submitted with the reimbursement, kind of the steps or the business process. So as you can see right here, you can kind of see the workflow and where it's currently at, and then also expense lines, or AKA just another expense. Expense line is a fancy way of saying submitting another expense. So once we see right here everything that was submitted and review it, unfortunately, we will not be able to approve this expense right here. This is just a report that shows us. If you would need and would like to go in there and review, approve, send it back with another message. However, as a manager, you would just need to go to my task right here on the right hand side. And right here, it pops up right here. Expense report for Theodore Garner. We can click on that and it'll take us to it. And then up here, if you want, you can enter full screen and then voila. It takes us to right here where it gives us kind of what we were looking at before, except for at the bottom, as you can see, it gives us the options to close it out, send it back, or approve. So down here is where any comments. So as I mentioned before, I kicked it back because it was not allowed, and then Theodore was able to resubmit it with a different expenses reason, and then also with another message that says please approve. So for this training purpose, let's go ahead and approve this expense, and then everything looks good.